What's up, internet and post-production citizens? Everyone loves text, words, we write them, we read them. I'm Nick Sanders and this is Video Deconstructed. This tutorial will give you 5 ways to get your text to be more legible. Or as they say, make it pop. Okay, first tip. Super obvious, but that's where we're going to start out with. Text pop tip number 1. Change the video under your text. If you are able to change the video clip under your text, you could solve your problem real quick. Text pop tip number 2. Change the text placement, font color, or the font. Let's say you have to go with this lake shot. Well, clouds are a problem with the text at the top, so you could try the bottom. But although it's readable, the client doesn't like the shimmering water behind the text. So maybe you leave it at the top, but change the color to black. Big help. If you have to keep the font a certain color, maybe you can change the font. This is not always an option, but depending on your situation, it could be a super quick solve. If you move it to the bottom, much better in this case. This is the last of the most common text pop tips. Add a drop shadow. Many in the design world are anti-drop shadow, so be careful. Add a glow, stroke, or background like you see in all the Instagram posts. Okay, this next tip allows you to keep the font type and color and the video. Darken the footage behind the text. Create some black video, drag it between your text and your background video. We're going to draw a mask around the bottom where the text is. So with your black video selected, go to the Effects Control panel to the pen tool and draw your mask. Turn up the feather and turn down the opacity to taste. So much better. And for my last tip, blur the background video. Select the clip that you want to add the blur effect to, go up to the Effects panel, go over to the Video Effects, Blur and Sharpen, Gaussian Blur, drag that onto your clip. Then to add the blur and to mask it, I'm going to take my zoom level down and with the clip selected, go to the Effects Control, turn up the blurriness, grab the pen tool, mask everything off above the text, turn up that feather, and bring this back. See what we got. Much better. Just play with the blurriness to get it to where you like it. Thanks for being a good citizen here at Video Deconstructed. I'm Nick Sanders, looking for things to click on. We've got subscribe, bells, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me how you're spending your pandemic lockdown in the comments.